At Pliant Offshore, we're specialized in high-precision non-contact measurement in offshore conditions. Our products save time and money on installation vessels and cable-lay vessels. Pliant Offshore has a complete range of products to prevent the major costs in offshore: cable damage. At the start of the process, overbending of the cable can be prevented by using the Departure Angle Measurement System, DAMS. The real-time information can be used to control the loading process. During loading, our Cable Inspection System, CIS, incorporates advanced cameras and laser technology to inspect the cable for signs of impact, shape irregularities, and visible damage. All data is captured for detailed reporting and future analysis, ensuring a fast, accurate inspection and comprehensive documentation. During cable laying, the Cable Inspection System conducts another quality check. The system re-examines the cable for any visual damage in real time, enabling repairs if required. Then the odometer system measures the length of cable that has passed through the system without physical contact, ensuring precise documentation. Finally, DAMS monitors the horizontal and vertical angles of the cable with high precision before it enters the water. The vertical angle controls the equipment and ensures a smooth transition into the water, while our advanced software model uses both angles to determine the catenary profile and touchdown point. With our systems, cables are monitored from loading to laying. Damage is prevented, and a complete log of the cable facilitates future analyses. Check for rental availability.